Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that gets truck enthusiasts really fired up. The legendary durability of the Toyota Tacoma. Is this mid-sized truck really as tough as everyone says? Let's get under the hood and find out. For decades, the Toyota Tacoma has built a rock-solid reputation, not just for being a capable off-roader or a practical daily driver, but for its sheer refusal to quit. You hear stories all the time, right? Tacomas hitting 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles with just regular maintenance. It's the kind of reliability that has become the stuff of legend. But what's the secret sauce? Well, it starts with Toyota's engineering philosophy. They tend to stick with what works, refining proven components over time rather than chasing every new trend. Take the engine. For example, the 3.5-liter V6, which has been a staple in the Tacoma lineup for years, is known for its robust design. It's not necessarily the most powerful or the most fuel-efficient in its class, but it's built to last. Toyota engineers prioritize long-term reliability over flashy, short-term performance numbers. They use high-quality materials and build their engines with tolerances that can handle years of hard work. Then there's the frame. The Tacoma is built on a tough, fully boxed steel frame. This is a critical element for any truck, providing the backbone for everything from towing heavy loads to absorbing the punishment of rough trails. While some competitors have moved to different frame designs, Toyota has stuck with this traditional heavy-duty construction because it's incredibly strong and resistant to flexing and fatigue over its lifespan. This robust foundation is a huge part of why Tacomas feel so solid even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The suspension is another key piece of the puzzle. Toyota has done a great job of balancing on-road comfort with off-road capability. The components they use, from the leaf springs in the rear to the control arms in the front, are designed for durability. They might not offer the plushest ride on the highway compared to some rivals, but they are built to withstand abuse. That's why you see so many Tacomas, even older ones, being used as dedicated off-road rigs. The aftermarket support is massive, but the stock suspension is a fantastic starting point that can take a beating right from the factory. Of course, no vehicle is perfect, and proper maintenance is crucial. The key to a Tacoma's longevity is consistent care. Regular oil changes, fluid checks, and addressing small issues before they become big ones are essential. But the beauty of the Tacoma is that it's relatively easy and affordable to maintain. Parts are widely available. And the straightforward design means you don't need a specialized mechanic for most routine jobs. This accessibility is a huge factor in its long-term value and durability. So, is the Toyota Tacoma's reputation for durability deserved? Absolutely. It's a truck that's been engineered from the ground up with longevity in mind. From its proven powertrain and bulletproof frame to its tough Arsenal suspension, the Tacoma is a testament to Toyota's commitment to building vehicles that last. It's not just about getting you from point A to point B. It's about being a reliable partner for years and miles of adventure. What are your experiences with the Tacoma's durability? Drop a comment below and share your story. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure you resubscribed for more deep dives into the cars and trucks we all love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.